I got paid 400,000 naira this morning from my business. Guys, I'm super excited. Guys, you can't imagine how I feel right now. Like seriously, I'm so super excited. Now we are still in the early hours of the day, and this is just Monday morning, and I've not even left the house. I've not even stepped my foot outside of my house. I have received 400,000 naira. See the time? If you can see it very clearly, this is 11:53 a.m. Yes, I just decided to record this video now. As at the time I received the alert, I have not even had my bath, I've not even brushed my teeth. I had to just go and do all of that to record this video because the excitement is just too much, guys. Just imagine getting paid 400,000 naira on a Monday morning just because of a business you did with your smartphone and your internet connection. Guys, stay tuned to the very end of this video as I take you through how I achieved this for myself. Okay, so let me take off these glasses and go into details. Hi, my name is Faith Finesse, just in case you're seeing me for the first time. Okay, I'll be breaking it down to you and showing you exactly what I did to earn this amount of money on a Monday morning. All right. Of course, it's a business model, and every one of us must have heard of it in one way or the other. But then I'll be breaking it down to you. Please ensure that you like this video so that I can get to lots more people who are interested in making money online, and also subscribe to this channel if you're not part of this community already so that you can get interesting and money making updates like this from time to time. And also do well to share to your loved ones who may be interested. Okay, let's dive right into the video. I remember the struggle so well that every month I receive 15,000 naira from my teaching job, and before the second week it has all gone. Yes, transportation took a very large chunk of it, other bills, and I couldn't even save. There was no emergency fund that was saved somewhere for me. All right, till I came in contact with this business model, everything changed. Now it wasn't just the money, it was the feeling of being stuck. Every Monday morning felt heavy because it was another week to work tirelessly, and at the end of the day remain broke because literally that 15k salary was doing little to nothing. Okay, so I could remember one day I was scrolling through social media and I saw someone talking about affiliate marketing, how that you can make money through affiliate marketing, the digital skills and all that. Now it all felt too good to be true. I thought this was one of those schemes or those programs that feel so good to be true. But the more I learned, the more I realized that it was just simply selling valuable products online and any commissions, right? No warehouse, no staff, just a phone, internet connection, and the right strategy. I didn't just jump in blindly. I invested in knowledge, I invested in the skill, I took my time to actually know how it works. My first day actually took weeks. Imagine 3 weeks, all right? And my first commission was just 31,250 in this business, and I was super excited when I got that because literally it was double of my salary I was earning. All right, this business model literally changed the game for me, and since then I kept going, improved my content, learned how to sell without sounding salesy, and slowly my earnings grew because I applied a system that literally works. That's how it happened. That's how I literally grew till now that I can literally earn 400,000 naira on a Monday morning doing this business. I received the credit alert this morning, and voila, I got 400,000 naira. That's almost times 27 of my monthly salary, like 15 times 27 or thereabout to give me this 400k. So I've taken me 27 months or thereabout to work for this 400,000 naira that I just received on a Monday money because of a simple business model like affiliate marketing. Imagine receiving 400k on one payment, like on one payout, guys. I was just staring, like I kept staring at the alert when I received it. It wasn't just about the money, it was a proof that I can literally create my own economy. If I can do it, you too can also replicate this and do it for yourself. Now my Monday mornings are different. I don't wake up with the mind that I'm going to rush to get a boss to go to a workplace that will pay me peanuts. And I don't even have to worry about how to stretch 15k throughout 13 days, how to spread my 50k salary for 30 days. Honestly, this has literally brought a freedom, like not just a kind of freedom, financial freedom to me. Now I literally wake up to plan my content, work with people I choose, and literally build a business I love. So if you are still earning an amount that cannot sustain you, like, just know that you are stuck, and you're going to be stuck for the longest time if you do nothing about it. Honestly, the internet has literally opened doors like never before, but you must be open, you must be willing to learn, you must be willing to take action, and you must be willing to stay consistent. So affiliate marketing is not magic. If you can give it time and effort, trust me, it can change your life too. So if my story has inspired you, don't just stop at watching this video. Take action. Take action. I've carefully put together resources and mentorship for beginners. I mean the same path I used to grow from 15K monthly to receiving 400K in just a single payout. Click the link in the description, join my program, and let's make sure that your next Monday money looks very different from today. Okay? So, if you watched this video to the end, I really want to say thank you for staying tuned. I believe you learned one or two. All right, do well to subscribe to the channel, do well to like, do well to share. Leave your comment. If you have any question, leave it on the comment below. I'll be answering you. All right. Once again, my name is Faithfulness, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.